Today we will show you all of the features our app has to offer, starting with the simple ones up to the more advanced. We will discuss compressing photos with predefined presets as well as inputting custom values. We will also show you how to replace photos or share them depending on whether you want to save space on your smartphone or send the images to the cloud, email, etc. Below you can see what we will show today. Compressing photos with predefined presets. Compressing photos with custom values. Compressing multiple photos at once. Saving, replacing and sharing photos. Feel free to look for the timestamps in the description to skip to any individual part of the video. Part 1. Compressing photos with predefined values. First select the photo you want to resize. Now tap Compress. Choose one of the modes. Right now we will use Make Them Smaller preset. Tap Next. Then we will choose Medium preset. We have to wait for the Puma to do its job. Just look at this technique. She's amazing, isn't she? As you can see, the photo size is now more than 50% smaller. Part 2. Compressing photos with custom values. You can also select the custom values for resize. You can select custom file size and custom resolutions. Select the photo just like before. Now tap Compress. Choose the file size mode. Tap Next. Scroll to the bottom and click Custom File Size. Input the value and pick whether it's kilobytes or megabytes. We will input 350 kilobytes. Tap OK. And then tap Next. Look at her. That photo doesn't stand a chance. Amazing style. 10 out of 10. As you can see, the photo size now is exactly 350 kilobytes. Part 3. Compressing multiple photos at once. Compressing multiple images is quite easy. Just tap all of the photos you want to compress. Now tap Compress. We will use the Make Them Smaller preset. Tap Next. Then we will choose Small preset. This will provide the biggest save to your space. We have to wait for the Puma to do its job. Just look at this technique. She really is amazing. Part 4. Saving, replacing and sharing your photos. As you can see, after compression is complete, you have a save and replace option. The difference is that when you save, Puma creates a new smaller file in the separate folder. When you replace the video, Puma deletes the original photo and leaves just the compressed version. The second option is great when you want to regain the space on your device. You could save hundreds of megabytes by replacing all the photos in your gallery. Just think about it, regaining a lot of space without sacrificing any old videos. That's why we sometimes call Puma the magician. Lastly, let's look at the share function. When you use it, you can instantly put the photos in the attachments of your email or upload them directly onto your Google Drive. Just click Share after your photos have been resized by Puma. When you open the Google Drive or email, the photos should be uploaded to their appropriate locations. Why not try it for yourself? As you can see, this app is quite simple to use, but has many useful features. If you want to meet Puma and let her take care of your big photos, then follow the link in the description. That's it! We hope you found this tutorial useful. You can also subscribe to our channel or watch the other tutorials we have prepared.